At the hospital.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
Not so well, doctor. I've had a headache since last night.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I also feel a bit dizzy and tired.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really, I couldn't sleep properly.
All right. Let me check your blood pressure.
Okay, doctor.
Your blood pressure is slightly high. You should take some rest and drink plenty of water.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, nothing to worry about. I'll give you some medicine for the headache.
Thank you, doctor. How long should I take it?
For 3 days, and if you don't feel better, come back for a checkup.
Sure, doctor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
At the supermarket.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
The bread is in aisle number 4, next to the dairy section.
Thank you. And do you have whole wheat bread?
Yes, we do. It's on the top shelf.
Great. I also need some eggs and milk.
You can find eggs and milk in the refrigerator section over there.
Okay, thank you. Oh, do you sell fresh fruits here?
Yes, ma'am. The fruits are in the next aisle. We have apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes today.
That's nice. Are the apples fresh?
Yes, they arrived this morning.
Perfect. I'll take a kilo of apples. How much do they cost?
They're 120 Indian rupees per kilo.
All right, I'll take them. Where can I pay for all this?
You can go to the billing counter near the exit.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
At the restaurant.
Good evening, sir. How many people are with you?
Just me. Table for one, please.
Sure, this way, please. Here is the menu.
Thank you. What do you recommend today?
Our special is grilled chicken with mashed potatoes.
Sounds good. I'll take that and a glass of orange juice.
Would you like any soup or salad before your meal?
I'll take a tomato soup, please.
Great. Anything for dessert?
Not now, maybe later.
All right, your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Here is your food, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Looks delicious. Thank you. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Yes, sir. Here it is.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too.
At the park.
Hey Neha. What a surprise to see you here.
Hi, Rohan.
Yeah,
I come here every evening for a walk.
That's nice. The weather is really pleasant today.
Yes, it feels so fresh and peaceful.
Do you come here alone?
Mostly, yes. Sometimes my cousin joins me.
I used to come here to play badminton, but now I just relax.
That's good. Exercise and fresh air are important.
Absolutely. Do you want to grab some coconut water from that stall?
Sure, let's go. I love coconut water.
Same here. It's healthy and refreshing.
I agree. We should come here more often together.
Definitely. Let's plan for tomorrow evening too.
Great idea. See you then.
At the airport.
Excuse me, where's the check-in counter for Air India?
It's right over there, next to gate number 5.
Thank you. And what time does the flight to Delhi depart?
The flight leaves at 6:30 p.m. Please make sure to check in by 5:45 p.m.
Okay, got it. Can I carry this small bag with me on the plane?
Yes, that's your hand luggage. Just keep your liquids under 100 milliliters.
All right, thank you for the information.
You're welcome, ma'am. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Have a nice day.